Now I'm putting up a bee hotel today, which is a great way to watch and learn about some of our solitary wild bees that live in our gardens. Now you can make your own bee hotels, but I've chosen instead to use this rather stylish wooden one. It comes with an alum key, so you can undo the base here and take out all these shelves for cleaning at the start of each season. So I know it's going to last me a good few years. Now, siting your bee hotel is a little bit different to siting a nest box. With nest boxes, we tend to look for somewhere that's quite high up away from predators and slightly shady away from the hot midday sun. But with a bee hotel, it's almost the opposite. So we want it a little bit lower down, about a metre and a half off the ground, because they don't like flying too high. And also you need it where it does catch that bright, warm sun. And it can help if your site will also protect the bee hotel from heavy rain or from strong winds. So this is southeast facing, which would protect the box from the prevailing southwesterlies. Which I just tapped in a little nail here, and I've checked that the head of the nail just fits the little slot here in the back of the bee hotel. And then it's simply a job of slotting that in the hole, dropping it down, and there, I think it looks really smart, and I'm really looking forward to watching the bees sort of discover this and start to build their nests and lay their eggs in here. Now please do subscribe to our channel and follow our blog at the3growbags.com.